accommodation to guests. Sometimes a hotel may be short of available rooms and may not be able to accommodate guests. It is important that the hotel set policies and procedures for handling these situations. A hotel can deny accommodation to guests without a reservation, also known as walk-in guests. Guests with non-guaranteed reservations. People holding a reservation that can be made without the need to enter payment card details or any form of payment to secure or guarantee a room is known as non-guaranteed reservations. When the reservation is confirmed with a non-guaranteed status, the hotel agrees to hold the room until a certain time. Guests with guaranteed reservation but are overstaying their book time or staying beyond the checkout time limit. Let us see how an FOE denies reservation to walk-in guests. Guests with non-guaranteed reservations, guests with guaranteed reservations. Non-guaranteed reservation. Now we will see how an FOE denies accommodation to guests with non-guaranteed reservation. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. I'm Neeraj Paul. I need a single double bed room for this weekend, please.
Do you have a reservation?
No, I don't.
Sir, for how many people you're looking for an accommodation?
2 adults.
Sir, let me check. Sir, I'm afraid we are totally booked for this weekend. Actually, there's a convention in town and we're the closest hotel to the convention center.
I didn't realize that.
Sir, please don't worry. There's a boutique hotel just 2 blocks away from our property. I recommend you to look for an accommodation there. It's a new property and I'm quite sure you will find an accommodation there for your family.
Thank you so much for this information. Goodbye.
Thank you so much, sir. Have a nice day and goodbye. Thank you. Guaranteed reservation. In the next video, we will see how an FOE denies accommodation to guests with guaranteed reservation due to unfavorable circumstances. Hello. I'm so sorry for the delay. How may I help you?
Hello, we have a reservation for today under the name Jyoti Sharma.
Let me just pull out the reservation. Ma'am, I'm unable to find the reservation under the name. Could you please provide me with the unique registration code?
Sure. Here we go.
Ma'am, it seems there's some kind of technical issue with us somewhere. I'll call the manager to sort this out. Why don't you just...
Is it very serious?
I don't think so, sir. Please have a seat and I'll order some refreshments for you. What will you have?
2 pina coladas, please.
Sure, ma'am.
Thank you.
Sir, ma'am, your reservation has been given to some other guest by mistake. I'm very sorry for the inconvenience. What do you mean by this? You have given our reservation to someone else. We have paid in advance for this room.
Yes.
Sir, please calm down. I have cross-checked all reservations and we have upgraded you to the presidential suite with the same cost and all the facilities.
Thank you for the upgrade. But this is very unprofessional and not expected from a hotel of your stature.
Ma'am, please relax for a couple of hours. All the food and beverages you order in these hours will be on the house.
Thank you. In that case, we wouldn't mind waiting for a couple of hours.
So